Hey there, Stripe users! Listen up because what I'm about to share could save you from a massive headache. There's a new scam targeting Stripe account holders and it's spreading like wildfire on social media. This is a serious warning, so stick around for the next few minutes. You'll thank me later. So here's the deal. You might come across ads on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok promising you passive income with your Stripe account. Sounds amazing, right? Well, don't get too excited. These ads claim that you can make easy money by allowing their so-called clients to sell products using your Stripe account. They lure you in with promises of a hefty percentage as compensation. But here's the catch. It's all a scam. Let me break it down for you. The perpetrators behind this scheme will ask for access to your Stripe account. They'll make it seem all legit, even going as far as showing you some fake success stories. Once they have access, they'll start processing thousands of dollars in fraudulent charges every single day. We're talking about $10,000 or more daily. Here's what they're really doing. They're scamming both you and innocent consumers. The customers are purchasing products that, quite simply, don't exist. So, what happens next? The products never get delivered, and the customers start asking for refunds. That's when the nightmare begins for you. As the account holder, you are personally responsible for all chargebacks. Yes, you heard that right. You'll be left dealing with angry customers, massive chargebacks, and potentially even legal issues. This can not only drain your finances, but also ruin your reputation and credibility. So what can you do to protect yourself? First and foremost, stay vigilant. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never, and I mean never, give anyone access to your Stripe account. Legitimate businesses won't need to piggyback off your account to sell their products. If you come across these suspicious ads, report them immediately. Social media platforms have mechanisms in place to take down fraudulent ads, but they can't catch everything. Your quick action can prevent others from falling into the same trap. Remember, your financial security is in your hands. Stay informed, stay cautious, and keep your Stripe account safe from scammers. Share this video with fellow Stripe users. Let's spread the word and put an end to this scam once and for all. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe out there.